Yeah. You are associated with the education field since last almost 18 years, a postgraduate from microbiology and the education. Have worked with DPS, educational initiatives, Aga Khan School, and now with the Caloris Group of a school. Madam, we would like to invite you here for this wonderful celebration. And kindly change the slide, Pratik bhai. Yes. Next, please. Yes. Ma'am, you are welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Shubhajit. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, I think we are able to hear you.
Yes. Okay, yeah, thank you. So
you have 3 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Shubhajit, for inviting. Yes.
No, continue.
There was somebody else talking. Is there somebody else? Mr. Shashikant, you were saying something. Okay. So thank you, Mr. Shubhajit, for inviting us here. And at Calrex School, I think we have always been very fortunate enough to have your support for various they have a good platform with your support. I will say that regarding national education policy, I will just say that I think we are going to enter into a new era of education. It's something that is going to take us into a completely new world, provided we all come together for its proper implementation. I think that will help us. And regarding us being as COVID warriors during this entire scenario, my team of teachers have been wonderful warriors, or I would say they are co-team workers, which has helped us to sail through all this situation. And we have done some great initiatives during this entire lockdown period, where nowhere the education had stopped at from my students and my teachers have come up with some was a physical not stopped. We do have virtual reading rooms. We have all kinds of scholastic and post-scholastic activities going on. Stakeholders have been our biggest. It was not a very difficult thing for us, but yes, we have faced problems, but we have also overcome with a good teamwork. So I would say this is what I had to share. Thank you, Mr. Shubhajit.
Thank you so much, madam. I'd like to invite Dr. Twinkle Patel, the founder, Motherhood Foundation, Managing Director at Motherhood Women and Child Care and Midas Touch Cosmetic and Skin Care Hospital. Secretariat High on Life NGO, and you are actively participating in media debates ranging from health to social issues. As a social entrepreneur and a proud member of BNI. Recently, you have awarded and felicitated with the prestigious Women Excellence Achievement Awards WEAA India Awards 2020 in the category of social entrepreneur. Madam, eagerly waiting for you too. Yes, you are welcome. Dr. Twinkle Patel.
Yes, very good evening all of you, and happy Teachers Day, all the dignitaries, and thank you very much for inviting me and giving me opportunity to sharing my views, especially for PR SIE chapter Ahmedabad. So as we are celebrating Teachers Day, so what is a teacher? A teacher is not a teaching person. Teacher is a role model. Teacher is an inspirational person for everyone's life.
Next slide, please.
Sometimes teacher can be teachers can be a guru, teacher can be a guide, teacher can be a mentor, teacher can be an advisor. He or she is a creator, designer of your life. And as we say, parents are our first teacher. But I think somewhere, somehow we are missing this line. So we forgot our responsibility as a teacher, being a parent. So to nurture a kid, to become a kid physically healthy and wealthy, to become a kid for the mental health and social well-being of the kid. So it is a joint responsibility for the parents and teachers. This is not only a sole responsibility of the academics or only the educator. So here I must say that, and I salute all the teacher to teaching. And being a teacher, it is a very, very toughest job and toughest role in the society, because they teach us, they mold us, they shape us, they shape the future of the us. And they bring, and they bring the aspirations in us to see the dream. And they build the foundations in each and every child. I think someone says, I think Mrs. Umaji says that teacher needs also empowerment. So yes, empowered teacher can build a empowered nation. Here I must say that. And yes, as a healthcare worker, and I'm a doctor also, I'm a social entrepreneur also, I'm a speaker from NSS also. So we generally, from our foundations, Motherhood Foundation is keep on taking session for mental health and wellness, girls' health issues, women empowerment health issues, a child abuse also, a nutrition and wellness session is as well as important, because we are not focusing only on the physical health. We should focus on the mental health issues also. And especially I'm working with the NCB also. So as I am taking lectures for the drug awareness, drug abuse and youth drug abuse and child also. So here I repeat the sentence: to nurture a kid, to nurture a child, to nurture a kid, and to build a foundation of your kid. This is a joint responsibility of teachers and as well as the parents. So this is not the sole responsibility of the teacher. And I think we should, and I personally salute all the teachers, as I am a daughter of a teacher also. So yes, I respect all the teachers. On this auspicious day, I personally salute all the teachers, all the gurus, all the mentors who are, and all the educators, especially who are present over here also. And thank you very much once again for inviting me. Thank you very much, Sashikant ji and Subhojit ji, for inviting me and giving and sharing my views also. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Be with us for the certificate felicitation.
Yes.
Now I'd like to invite Mrs. MS Mazumdar, National Vice President, East ERSI, to share your view on this day in a minute, and we'll do the felicitation.
Yes.
Mazumdar, madam.
Thank you, Shubhajit, RK, and the entire Ahmedabad chapter for holding this webinar on this auspicious day of Teachers' Day. And okay, I must say that I'm not a teacher, but I had teacher at my home. My father was a teacher, and we learned everything from him since our childhood. And I know what a teacher deserve the prestige and the honor of from each, not only the students, it's a society, and everywhere. One teacher is a very, very, very honorable person everywhere. That is what I can say. As teacher is not not for teaching in school or teaching any particular subjects or like that. Like my speaker just now said that teacher is everything. You know, they monitor, they see the health and the welfare, everything. A teacher is a guru, and they are the person who see the growing the children in the best way, because parents are at home and teachers at everywhere, not only in school. So I must thank my both the speakers for giving so much knowledge, and they shared their experience in their own fields. Thank you so much. Thank you, Subhajit. Thank you. Thank you so much.
आपको करना है आप
अपनी मंजिल का पता, खुदा मुझको बता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता हमको यहाँ पे मुसाफिर ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता